I'm so glad we're not on the other side of that mountain.
Yeah.
Look at those balls of flame. Goodness gracious. Wow. This is some scary stuff.
I want to take some pictures when you're done before we...
Let's go. Want me to drive or you will drive?
I'll drive. Mom's already mad.
How come she can't take a van?
It's not registered.